5-story basement together with this application. The 5-story basement, we always assume that it is for parking, but it is to our knowledge that it was going to be used for storage of money. Because fire goes upwards. So they put the money below, in the lowest point of the house, so that it won't be harmed if there is a fire.
May impormasyon ngayon ng Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG patungkol sa ipinapagawang bahay dito sa Pilipinas ng puganteng si Zaldico. Pinaghihinala ang pagtataguan ng pera ang naudlot na ipinapagawang bahay ni dating Ako Bicol Party List Representative at ngayon tinuturing ng pugante na si Zaldico sa Forbes Park, Makati City. Ayon kay DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla, naudlot ang konstruksyon nito nang pumutok ang issue ng flood control scandal. Hindi pa nila ito naiinspeksyon, ngunit batay sa kanilang paunang investigasyon, napag-alamang hindi parking space ang binubong basement ng bahay na ito.